Hello, my friend. How are you today? Our lesson today about letter D. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Letter D make the sound of d. D says d, d, d. Okay, let's learn some words beginning with the letter D. D for duck. Duck. D for dog. Dog. Try to say it. Duck. Okay, good job. D for donkey. Donkey. D for dinosaur. Dinosaur. Try to say it. Donkey. Dinosaur. Super. And now we will know how to write letter D. We will start from the top and make a standing line. Then you will make a curve from line number 1 to line number 3. This is a capital D. Small d. You will make a standing line from the top to the bottom and make a small circle from the line number 2 to the line number 3.